big decision to rent or to buy. It's a question that many people face at some point in their lives, whether you're just starting out on your own, moving to a new city, or looking to upgrade your living situation. Deciding whether to rent or buy a home is a significant choice. Each option has its own set of advantages and disadvantages, and what might be the right choice for one person could be completely different for another. So, how do you make the best decision for your unique situation? Should you rent or buy your home? This is a question that doesn't have a one-size-fits-all answer. It requires careful consideration of various factors, including your financial situation, lifestyle preferences, and long-term goals. Renting and buying each come with their own sets of pros and cons, and understanding these can help you make an informed decision. Big question. It's a decision that impacts your finances and your life. Renting might offer more flexibility and lower upfront costs, but buying can provide stability and the potential for building equity over time. Let's dive deeper into these aspects to help you weigh your options. There's no easy answer, it depends on you. Your personal circumstances, financial health, and future plans all play a crucial role in this decision. Are you ready to settle down in one place, or do you anticipate moving frequently? Do you have the financial stability to handle the responsibilities of homeownership, or would you prefer the flexibility that comes with renting? We're going to break it down. Renting versus buying. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about renting. Renting a home can be a great option if you're not ready to commit to a long-term investment. It often requires less upfront money, and you won't have to worry about property maintenance or market fluctuations. However, renting also means that you won't be building equity, and your monthly payments could increase over time. First, think about your money situation. How much can you afford each month? When renting, you'll need to consider the cost of rent, utilities, and possibly renter's insurance. On the other hand, buying a home involves a mortgage, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and maintenance costs. It's essential to have a clear understanding of your budget and what you can realistically afford. Then consider your lifestyle. Do you value freedom to move or putting down roots? Renting offers the flexibility to move with relative ease, which can be ideal if your job requires relocation or if you enjoy exploring new neighborhoods. Buying, however, can provide a sense of permanence and community, allowing you to establish roots and personalize your living space. Finally, think about the future. Do you want to build equity or avoid property taxes? Home ownership can be a valuable investment, potentially increasing in value over time and providing a financial asset. However, it also comes with responsibilities like property taxes, maintenance, and the risk of market downturns. Renting, while not building equity, can offer peace of mind with fewer long-term financial commitments. This isn't just about numbers. It's about what kind of life you want. Let's explore this further. Your decision to rent or buy should align with your personal goals, financial situation, and lifestyle preferences. Take the time to weigh the pros and cons and consider seeking advice from financial advisors or real estate professionals. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that fits your unique needs and helps you achieve your long-term objectives. Show me the money. Costs up front, buying a home, get ready for some big upfront costs, down payment, closing costs. Oh my, these expenses can be scary, they're unavoidable. Renting, you'll usually pay a security deposit, maybe first and last month's rent too, still a chunk of change, but less than buying. Don't forget moving costs, those boxes and trucks add up. Whether renting or buying, moving ain't cheap. Before you commit, calculate these costs carefully. Can you handle the upfront hit of buying? Or is renting's lower entry point more manageable for you right now? The long haul. Ongoing expenses for renters and owners. When it comes to choosing between renting and owning a home, it's important to consider the ongoing expenses that come with each option. Both renters and homeowners have their own unique set of financial responsibilities that can impact their monthly budgets and long-term financial health. Renting. Your monthly rent covers your living space. This is often the largest expense for renters and can vary greatly depending on location, size, and amenities of the rental property. Renters typically sign a lease agreement that outlines the terms and conditions of their rental, including the monthly rent amount and the duration of the lease. But you'll also have utilities, renter's insurance, and maybe parking. Utilities can include electricity, water, gas, and internet, which can add a significant amount to your monthly expenses. Renter's insurance is another important cost to consider. as it protects your personal belongings in case of theft, fire, or other disasters. If you have a car, you might also need to pay for a parking space, especially in urban areas where parking is limited. Don't forget groceries and fun money. These are essential parts of your monthly budget. Groceries can vary depending on your eating habits and family size, while fun money includes expenses for entertainment, dining out, and other leisure activities. It's important to budget for these expenses to ensure you can enjoy your lifestyle without financial stress. Owning. Get ready for a mortgage payment. This is usually the largest expense for homeowners and can be a fixed or adjustable rate. Your mortgage payment includes the principal and interest on your loan, and it can vary depending on the terms of your mortgage and the amount of your down payment. Plus, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and possibly HOA fees. Property taxes are based on the assessed value of your home and can vary greatly depending on your location. Homeowners insurance is essential to protect your home and belongings from damage or loss. If you live in a community with a homeowners association, HOA, you'll also need to pay HOA fees, which cover the maintenance and upkeep of common areas and amenities. Leaky faucet, busted pipe, that's on you now. Homeowners are responsible for all maintenance and repairs, which can add up quickly. Regular maintenance tasks like lawn care, gutter cleaning, and HVAC servicing are essential to keep your home in good condition. Unexpected repairs, such as fixing a leaky roof or replacing a broken appliance, can be costly and stressful. Owning can be more expensive month to month. Unexpected repairs pop up. It's important to have an emergency fund to cover these unexpected expenses. Homeowners should budget for regular maintenance and set aside money for potential repairs to avoid financial strain, but your mortgage payment stays relatively stable. Unlike rent, which can increase with each lease renewal, a fixed-rate mortgage ensures that your monthly payment remains the same throughout the life of the loan. This stability can make it easier to budget and plan for the future. Rent can fluctuate with the market. Renters may face rent increases at the end of their lease term, which can make it difficult to predict and manage their monthly expenses. Market conditions, demand for rental properties, and changes in the local economy can all impact rental prices. Factor all these costs into your budget. Whether you're renting or owning, it's important to consider all the ongoing expenses and plan accordingly. Creating a detailed budget can help you manage your finances and ensure you can cover all your monthly expenses without stress. Can you handle the potential surprises of home ownership? Home ownership comes with many responsibilities and potential surprises, from unexpected repairs to fluctuating property taxes. It's important to be prepared for these challenges and have a financial plan in place to handle them. Or do you prefer the predictability, mostly, of renting? Renting offers more predictability in terms of maintenance and repairs, as these are typically the responsibility of the landlord. However, rent can still fluctuate, and renters may face unexpected rent increases. Ultimately, the decision between renting and owning depends on your financial situation, lifestyle, and long-term goals. Section 4. Building your castle. Investing in your future. Imagine your financial future as a grand castle. Each decision you make is like laying a brick, building a strong foundation for the years to come. Buying a home? Congratulations, you're now an investor. This is one of the most significant steps you can take towards securing your financial future. Owning a home isn't just about having a place to live, it's about investing in an asset that can grow in value over time. Each mortgage payment builds equity. Equity is the portion of your home that you truly own, and it increases with every payment you make. Think of it as a forced savings plan where each payment brings you closer to full ownership. That's ownership in your home. It's a tangible asset that you can see and touch, providing a sense of stability and accomplishment. Unlike renting, where your monthly payments go to a landlord, owning a home means your payments contribute to your own wealth. It's like putting money in the bank, but with a roof. Over time, as you pay down your mortgage, the amount of equity you have in your home grows, potentially providing you with a significant financial resource. As you pay down your mortgage, your equity grows. This growing equity can be a powerful tool, giving you options for the future, such as borrowing against it for major expenses or using it to fund your retirement. Sell your home later. You could make a profit. If the value of your home has increased since you bought it, selling it can provide you with a substantial return on your investment. This profit can be used to buy a new home, invest in other opportunities, or achieve other financial goals. This is the magic of real estate appreciation. Over time, the value of real estate tends to increase, which can significantly boost your net worth. However, it's important to remember that this isn't guaranteed and can vary based on market conditions. But remember, home values can go down too. It's a risk. Just like any investment, real estate comes with its own set of risks. Market downturns, economic changes, and other factors can lead to a decrease in property values. Renting, no equity for you. When you rent, your monthly payments go towards your landlord's mortgage, not your own. While renting can offer flexibility and lower upfront costs, it doesn't provide the same long-term financial benefits as owning a home. But you also avoid the risk of property value drops. Renting can be a smart choice if you're not ready to commit to a long-term investment, or if you prefer the flexibility to move without the hassle of selling a home. Think about your long-term financial goals. Whether you choose to buy or rent, it's important to consider how each option aligns with your financial objectives. Are you looking to build wealth through home ownership, or do you prefer the flexibility and lower maintenance costs of renting? Is building equity a priority? If so, home ownership might be the right path for you. Building equity can provide financial security and open up opportunities for future investments. Or are you more comfortable renting and investing your money elsewhere? Some people prefer to rent and invest their savings in stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments. This approach can also be a viable way to grow your wealth, depending on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 5. The freedom to roam, renting for flexibility. Renting offers freedom. Lease ending? Time to explore new horizons. Want to travel the world? No problem. Rent out your place or sublet. Flexibility is key. Career change, relationship status update, life throws curveballs. Renting makes it easier to adapt. Pack your bags and start fresh in a new place. But remember, renting can feel transient. You're not putting down roots and your landlord calls the shots. Want to paint the walls purple? You'll need permission. Embrace the freedom or crave stability. Renting might be your jam if you value a less tied down life. Section 6. Putting down roots, the stability of owning. Owning a home provides stability. It's your space, your rules. Paint the walls purple, plant a garden, hang that disco ball. It's your domain. You're not moving every year or two. You're building a community. Kids can attend the same schools. You can foster lasting friendships. It's about planting roots. But remember, owning ties you down. Moving is a bigger decision, and unexpected repairs can disrupt your stability. Owning is a commitment. Crave permanence or prefer flexibility. Owning might be your dream if you're seeking a settled life.